Hello everyone, this is Ryan here. It is January 10th, 2024. It's 12:55 in the afternoon. It is raining and snowing at the same time. I just um, looked out my window and it's oh my gosh, it's snowing and raining. Temperature's about plus 2 to plus 1, and it's rain and snow right now. It's kind of like the wet sleet, like rain and snow mix. So yeah, we'll see what happens with the snow if it continues to transition over into actual snow and then start accumulating on the roads, and I'll be happy to show all the neighbors' driveways. Alright guys, take care, everything watching, like and subscribe. And yeah, it's snowing, it's coming down pretty good. There's like a snowstorm happening. Look at this. Oh my gosh. These snowflakes, amazing. That's amazing. Alright, everybody, take care, everything for watching, like and subscribe. And yeah, yay, it's snowing. Hope it stays. Take care, guys.